We want you to be involved in No Plane, No Gain. We want you to be an advocate for our community. We recognize that in order to do that, you need tools. You need talking points. You need information. Among the products that we've developed as part of the No Plane, No Gain program is our our evaluation toolkit, which helps companies understand how to talk about their airplane, how to have policies about their airplane, how to have documents and retain documentation about the benefits of the airplane, and have talking points about how you talk about the flight department, talk about the airplane, both internally within the company with your coworkers, but also externally. When you're asked about the airplane by the media, by shareholders, by the locals, they need to know as well. And you know what? It's a good news story. Business aviation is used by great companies, large and small, U.S. and international, to compete effectively in the marketplace. That's an important statistic. We also did a survey. How are these planes being used? And you know what? The reality of business aviation may not be the perception of business aviation. The fact is, 85% of the companies that rely on business aviation are small and mid-sized companies. And the majority of the time, they're not moving senior executives. They're moving parts. They're moving equipment. They're moving teams of people. And they are usually going to airports that have very little or no scheduled airline service. We've been actively trying to help people understand who we are, to dig behind the stereotype that was promoted following the automobile executives. That at this point, we are making significant success. Remember when the Congress people first started questioning those automobile manufacturers? Clearly, they had a very negative opinion of business aviation, what it is and how it operates. Today, we've started general aviation caucuses on Capitol Hill, and we have 25% of all members of Congress in the House General Aviation Caucus. In the Senate, we have 26 senators. So again, over a quarter of the United States Senate is raising their hand. They're saying, identify me publicly, clearly, and unequivocally as a supporter of this industry. Arnold Palmer is one of the few people in the United States that has reached a level of recognition and respect without appearing to be a frivolous celebrity. People recognize that Arnold Palmer is a genuine, authentic American icon. The interesting thing from our perspective is that he embodies so much of what No Plane, No Gain is really all about. Because Arnold Palmer has operated a successful business career and a successful golfing career, all from Latrobe, Pennsylvania, a community of 10,000 people in western Pennsylvania with no commercial airline service. He's been able to grow a business and have a career on an international stage because of his access to business aviation. Business aviation helps companies be productive and efficient. And business aviation is at the foundation of our nation's humanitarian efforts. People don't think about it, but vital organs are flown every day via business aviation. We're a fundamental part of our nation's healthcare system. Here in the New York area, we've got the Corporate Angel Network, helping fly cancer patients to treatment. We've got groups flying combat veterans and reuniting them with their families. We are an important industry. We're a significant industry, and we're an essential industry. We've got to help people understand. The reality is our industry's long-term success depends on how people perceive us. When I go to Capitol Hill and say, we're worried about user fees, we think they could destroy our industry. Or we're worried about the large aircraft security program. Unless this is done right, it could destroy our industry. Well, you know what? If they think our industry is frivolous, If they think it's unimportant or excessive, they don't really care if their proposal kills our industry. But if they recognize we're essential, if they know we're important to our job base, if they know we're letting communities survive, we're helping companies be productive, if they know we are fundamental to our nation's humanitarian outreach, the conversation changes.